Part 1. The Awakening. Unveiling nature's defense against a frosted world. Imagine this. You open your eyes one morning, and the vibrant world you once knew seems to be veiled. As if you're constantly peering through a frosted window pane. Colors appear muted. Lights are encircled by unsettling halos. And the simple act of reading a book or a message on your phone transforms into a frustrating, blurry battle. This isn't a scene from a dystopian novel. It's the daily reality for millions of people worldwide grappling with cataracts. And if you, like me, are navigating life beyond your fourth decade, there's a rather sobering statistic to consider. A staggering 50% chance that you'll develop this very condition by the time you reach 75. It's a statistic that often sits in the back of our minds, a distant concern, until the first subtle signs begin to appear. For years, the conventional narrative around cataracts has been largely one of passive acceptance and eventual surgical intervention. But what if I told you that this narrative is incomplete? What if the key to protecting and perhaps even reclaiming your clarity of vision isn't solely found in an operating room, but also in the vibrant aisles of your local grocery store? Groundbreaking research emerging from prestigious universities and research institutions across the globe has begun to illuminate a powerful, natural defense hidden within certain fruits. These aren't just any fruits. They are nutritional powerhouses packed with specific compounds that science is now revealing can actively prevent and, in some remarkable cases, even reverse the early stages of cataract formation. I recall the buzz in the scientific community when scientists at Tufts University published their decade-long study. The findings were nothing short of stunning. Individuals who regularly consumed specific fruits demonstrated up to a 64% lower risk of developing cataracts. This wasn't a marginal difference. It was a profound testament to the power of targeted nutrition. And the most astonishing part? These vision-saving marvels aren't obscure, exotic superfoods airlifted from remote, inaccessible rainforests. They are likely familiar faces, fruits you've probably walked past countless times, their potent secrets completely overlooked. In our journey together today, I want to pull back the curtain on the top 5 fruits that compelling scientific evidence suggests can be your staunchest allies in preserving your precious eyesight. We'll explore them in a ranked order, from significantly beneficial to what I can only describe as absolutely essential. And believe me, when we unveil the fruit holding the coveted #1 position, you'll grasp why researchers are now hailing it as nature's cataract eraser. The data is compelling, particularly a Harvard study which found that one of these fruits, due to its unique antioxidant synergy, could reduce cataract progression by an incredible 77% with regular consumption. So, I urge you to grab a pen, open your mind, because the knowledge I'm about to share could quite literally be sight-saving. Before we delve into the specifics, I'm curious to hear from you. Where are you joining us from today? What's your age? And have you, or someone dear to you, ever faced the challenge of cataracts? Perhaps you've already experimented with dietary changes and noticed an impact on your vision. Your experiences are invaluable, and I genuinely try to read and respond to every comment. And, of course, if you find this information beneficial, a simple like and a subscription to our channel ensure you won't miss out on future insights like these. Now, without any further delay, let's embark on this illuminating exploration. Number 5. Oranges, the citrus shield. Starting our countdown at number 5, we encounter the humble, yet mighty, orange. Its presence on this list is far from accidental. There's a fascinating and scientifically robust reason why this citrus powerhouse is a key player in ocular health. When you think of oranges, vitamin C immediately springs to mind, and rightly so. A single medium-sized orange packs an impressive 70 milligrams of this crucial vitamin. But that's merely the prologue to its comprehensive, eye-protecting narrative. A large-scale, influential study published in the esteemed American Journal of Clinical Nutrition meticulously followed 35,000 women for over a decade. The findings were clear. Those women who consumed the highest amounts of vitamin C primarily from fruits like oranges, exhibited a 33% lower risk of developing cataracts compared to their counterparts who consumed the least. The true marvel lies in how vitamin C functions as a molecular guardian within the delicate lens of your eye. It's a remarkable biological design that your lens contains the highest concentration of vitamin C found anywhere in your entire body, approximately 20 times more concentrated than in your bloodstream. This isn't a mere coincidence. It's a strategic defense mechanism. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, tirelessly neutralizing the harmful free radicals that would otherwise inflict damage upon the intricate proteins within your lens. The story of the orange's protective prowess becomes even more intricate and compelling. Oranges aren't just a solitary source of vitamin C. They also deliver a synergistic duo of flavonoids. Researchers at the University of Western Australia made a significant discovery regarding these compounds. They can enhance the absorption of vitamin C by up to an astounding 35%. This means that with every orange you consume, your eyes are effectively receiving a supercharged dose of protection. The same study tracked 900 adults over a 15-year period and found that individuals who incorporated oranges into their diet at least 3 times per week had demonstrably clearer lenses during eye examinations compared to those who rarely indulged in this fruit. To truly harness the maximum benefit from oranges, timing and preparation methods are more crucial than you might initially suspect. Consuming a whole orange is vastly superior to drinking orange juice, even if it's freshly squeezed. When you eat the entire fruit, you gain the invaluable dietary fiber that intelligently slows down sugar absorption. This prevents the deleterious blood sugar spikes that, ironically, can accelerate cataract formation. Furthermore, the often discarded white pith found just beneath the peel contains the highest concentration of hesperidin. So, my advice is to resist the urge to peel your oranges too meticulously. For optimal absorption and efficacy, consider enjoying your orange in the morning or early afternoon, as this is when your body's ability to absorb vitamin C reaches its peak. Aim for 1 medium orange daily. This will comfortably provide about 116% of your recommended daily vitamin C intake. If you find standard oranges a tad too acidic for your palate, seek out Cataracts oranges. They offer a sweeter taste profile and come with the added bonus of carotenoids, which provide further support for overall eye health. While some express concern over the sugar content in oranges, robust research from the University of Sydney has shown that consuming whole fruits, unlike their juice counterparts, actually contributes to a reduced risk of diabetes, a critical factor considering that diabetes can double your risk of developing cataracts. The orange, therefore, is more than just a refreshing snack. It's a carefully constructed natural shield, offering a multifaceted defense against the onset of cataracts. Its combination of high vitamin C, bio-enhancing flavonoids, and beneficial fiber makes it an indispensable part of a vision-protective diet. Part 2. The Visionary Vanguard. From tropical marvels to ancient wisdom. Welcome back. In the first part of our discussion, we began to uncover the remarkable, scientifically backed power of everyday fruits in the fight against cataracts. Starting with the impressive benefits of oranges, we learned how their rich vitamin C content, amplified by unique flavonoids, acts as a potent shield for our delicate eye lenses. Now, we continue our journey, moving up the ranks to explore fruits with even more concentrated and specialized protective properties, culminating in nature's ultimate defender of vision. Number 4. Blueberries, the antioxidant giants. Coming in at number 4, we encounter blueberries. These tiny, deep blue spheres may be unassuming in size, but when it comes to safeguarding your vision, they are veritable giants. Blueberries boast one of the highest antioxidant concentrations of any commonly consumed fruit, registering an oxygen radical absorbance capacity, ORAC, value of an astonishing 4,669 per 100 grams. To put this into perspective, that's nearly double the antioxidant firepower of strawberries and a staggering triple that of oranges. This alone makes them a formidable force against the oxidative stress that contributes to cataract formation. However, what elevates blueberries to a special status in cataract prevention is their unique and potent anthocyanin profile. A landmark study conducted by the National Eye Institute, involving 4,000 participants over a 10-year span, delivered compelling evidence. Individuals who consumed the most anthocyanins experienced a significant 38% lower risk of developing cataracts. The magic, it seems, lies in the diversity of these compounds. Blueberries contain an impressive array of 15 different types of anthocyanins, with malvidin and delphinidin being identified as particularly powerful for promoting eye health. These specific anthocyanins possess a rare and crucial ability. They can cross the blood-retinal barrier. This is a feat most antioxidants cannot achieve, allowing them to directly permeate and protect your lens from the relentless assault of oxidative damage. The research from Keio University in Japan further underscores this protective power. Scientists there conducted a fascinating experiment with cataract-prone rats. When these rats were given blueberry extract, the results were dramatic. After a mere 12 weeks, the rats receiving the blueberry extract exhibited 70% less lens clouding compared to the control group. A closer examination of their lenses under high-powered electron microscopes revealed something even more profound. The blueberry compounds had actively prevented the breakdown and disorganization of lens proteins, the very structural changes that typically culminate in cataracts. Now, here's an insider tip that most people are unaware of when it comes to maximizing the benefits of blueberries. While fresh blueberries are undeniably great, their frozen counterparts might actually offer an edge for your eye health. The freezing process, counterintuitively, works in our favor by breaking down the fruit cell walls. This structural change makes the precious anthocyanins more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and utilize them more efficiently. A study emerging from South Dakota State University found that frozen blueberries release twice as many anthocyanins during digestion compared to fresh ones. The researchers from this study offer a practical recommendation. Allow frozen blueberries to thaw for about 20 minutes before consumption, as this specific thawing time appears to maximize anthocyanin release. For optimal eye protection, the aim should be to consume approximately 1 cup of blueberries daily. This serving size provides a substantial 14 milligrams of anthocyanins. Consider mixing them into plain Greek yogurt rather than eating them alone. The protein and healthy fats in the yogurt can aid your body in absorbing some of the fat-soluble compounds also present in blueberries. A word of caution regarding preparation. Avoid exposing blueberries to high heat. Temperatures exceeding 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius can unfortunately destroy up to 50% of their valuable anthocyanins. So, if you're incorporating them into muffins or pancakes, it's best to add the berries at the very end of the cooking process. If you have access to them, wild blueberries are an even more potent choice, containing approximately 33% more anthocyanins than their cultivated varieties. For those new to increasing their blueberry intake, it's wise to start with half a cup daily and gradually increase to a full cup over a week or two, as some individuals may experience mild digestive adjustments initially. Number 3. Avocados, the surprising green guardians. Securing the number 3 position on our list is a fruit that often surprises people in this context. Avocados. Yes, botanically speaking, avocados are indeed fruits, and they stand as one of the most potent weapons against cataracts that nature has graciously provided. While most people associate avocados with their rich content of healthy monounsaturated fats, they are also densely packed with 2 specific carotenoids that are absolutely crucial for maintaining optimal eye health: lutein and zeaxanthin. A comprehensive UCLA study, which analyzed the ocular health of 1,800 participants, uncovered a striking correlation. Individuals with the highest levels of lutein and zeaxanthin concentrated in their eye lenses experienced an astounding 42% lower incidence of cataracts. What makes avocados particularly noteworthy in this regard is their superior lutein content. They contain more lutein per serving than any other commonly consumed fruit, with approximately 369 micrograms found in just half an avocado. The fascinating aspect of lutein and zeaxanthin lies in their unique biological role. They're the only carotenoids that selectively accumulate in the lens and macula of your eye. Here, they function akin to internal sunglasses, diligently filtering out harmful blue light and UV radiation that can otherwise damage the delicate proteins within the lens. Research from the prestigious Harvard Medical School has even suggested that these powerful compounds can actively repair some of the early oxidative damage inflicted upon lens cells. Their extensive study, which followed 77,000 nurses over a 12-year period, found that women who consumed the most lutein and zeaxanthin had a 22% lower risk of requiring cataract surgery. But here's what I consider the real game changer when it comes to avocados. The healthy fats they contain dramatically enhance your body's absorption of carotenoids, not just from the avocado itself, but from other foods as well. A study from Ohio State University demonstrated this synergistic effect beautifully. Adding just half an avocado to a salad increased lutein absorption by an incredible 500% and zeaxanthin absorption by a remarkable 400%. This means that eating avocados not only directly provides these crucial eye-protecting compounds, but also supercharges your body's ability to utilize them from other dietary sources like spinach, kale, or eggs. To maximize the eye-protecting benefits of avocados, select them at their perfect ripeness. They should yield slightly to gentle pressure, but not feel mushy. It's at this stage that their carotenoid content peaks. And contrary to common practice, where some might scoop out only the paler flesh, you should make an effort to consume the dark green flesh closest to the skin, as this area can contain up to 11 times more carotenoids than the lighter-colored center. Crucially, never heat avocados above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, as this can degrade the precious lutein. For optimal absorption, pair half an avocado with meals that are rich in other carotenoid-containing foods. Timing also plays a role. Research indicates that consuming carotenoids with your largest meal of the day can increase absorption by as much as 23% compared to eating them with smaller meals. If you're worried about your avocado browning, a simple squeeze of lemon juice not only prevents oxidation, but also adds a bit of extra vitamin C. Aim for at least 3 to 4 avocados per week. Strategically spread throughout different meals to maintain a steady supply of these protective carotenoids for your eyes. Number 2, papaya, the tropical enzyme elixir, taking the silver medal. At number 2 is the magnificent papaya. This vibrant, orange-fleshed tropical fruit has been quietly but consistently emerging as a superstar in cataract prevention research. It contains an extraordinary cocktail of eye-protecting compounds that work in synergistic ways scientists are only just beginning to fully comprehend. A landmark study conducted by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which followed 3,000 participants over an 8-year period, delivered truly remarkable findings. Those who ate papaya at least twice a week exhibited a stunning 51% lower risk of developing cataracts compared to individuals who rarely consumed the fruit. The researchers were so profoundly impressed by these outcomes that they have subsequently launched additional studies to delve deeper into the precise mechanisms by which papaya affords such powerful ocular protection. What makes papaya truly exceptional is its unique triad of vitamin C, vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, and a powerful enzyme called papain. A single cup of papaya provides an incredible 188% of your daily vitamin C needs, even surpassing oranges, and it's in a form that appears to be particularly bioavailable to eye tissues. The vitamin A content, primarily from beta-carotene, reaches levels of around 1,492 international units per cup. But perhaps the most fascinating component is papain. This is the enzyme that gives papaya its fame for tenderizing meat, but its role in eye health is even more compelling. Papain appears to help prevent the detrimental protein clumping that lies at the heart of cataract formation. Researchers at the University of Mauritania conducted a study involving diabetic rats, which are known to develop cataracts rapidly. After 16 weeks, the group of rats receiving papaya extract showed 67% less lens clouding. Microscopic analysis of their lenses revealed that papain had played a crucial role in helping to maintain the normal, healthy structure of lens proteins. The synergy between papaya's nutrients is also noteworthy. Australian researchers discovered that the vitamin C in papaya actively regenerates vitamin E within eye tissues, creating a continuous protective cycle that can last for hours after consumption. They also found that papaya's unique fiber matrix slows the release of its natural sugars, thereby preventing the sharp blood sugar spikes that can accelerate cataract formation. This is particularly important because elevated blood sugar levels can cause proteins in your lens to become glycated, making them sticky and prone to clumping, ultimately clouding your vision. To maximize papaya's benefits, proper selection and preparation are key. Look for papayas that are mostly yellow with a touch of green. Fully ripe papayas boast the highest concentration of these protective compounds. Surprisingly, the seeds, which most people discard, are also packed with powerful antioxidants. They can be eaten fresh or dried and ground as a unique pepper substitute. For maximum enzyme activity and nutrient absorption, it's often recommended to eat papaya on an empty stomach in the morning. Papain is most active when the fruit is at room temperature, so consider taking it out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes before you plan to eat it. Aim to consume at least 1 cup of papaya 3 times per week. If fresh papaya proves too expensive or difficult to find consistently, frozen papaya chunks are a good alternative, retaining about 85% of their protective compounds. It's also worth noting that green papaya, often used in Asian cuisines, contains even more papain than ripe papaya, although it has less vitamin C and beta-carotene. As with any dietary change, if you're new to eating papaya regularly, start with smaller portions and increase gradually, as the papain can cause mild digestive changes for some individuals. Number 1. Goji berries, nature's cataract eraser. And now, the moment we've all been anticipating, the number 1 fruit for preventing and even potentially reversing cataracts is the extraordinary goji berry. These small, vibrant red berries, hailing from the remote Himalayan regions, have been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, specifically revered for their benefits to eye health. It's a testament to ancient wisdom that modern science is now robustly validating these age-old claims. A truly groundbreaking study from the Beijing University of Chinese Medicine sent reverberations throughout the ophthalmology community. In this study, researchers administered either 15 grams of goji berries daily or a placebo to 150 patients diagnosed with early-stage cataracts. The trial lasted for 90 days, and the results were nothing short of astounding. An incredible 77% of the participants in the goji berry group showed measurable improvement in their lens clarity. In stark contrast, the placebo group continued to experience a deterioration in their condition. Even more incredibly, 23% of those in the goji berry group exhibited a complete reversal of their early lens clouding. This was a watershed moment, suggesting not just prevention, but a potential for actual therapeutic reversal. What endows goji berries with such exceptionally potent capabilities? It's their unprecedented concentration of zeaxanthin. These diminutive berries contain more zeaxanthin per gram than any other fruit on the planet, with levels reaching an astonishing 162 milligrams per 100 grams. To put that into context, it's approximately 40 times more zeaxanthin than found in oranges and about 20 times more than in spinach. But their power doesn't stop with zeaxanthin. Goji berries are a complete protein source, containing 18 amino acids, including all 8 essential ones. Furthermore, They possess unique polysaccharides known as lithium barbarin polysaccharides, or LBPs. These LBPs have demonstrated a remarkable ability to protect lens epithelial cells from oxidative damage and, critically, to stimulate the production of glutathione, your lens's master antioxidant. The research supporting goji berries continues to mount. Scientists at the University of Sydney conducted an animal study using aging mice genetically predisposed to developing cataracts. After 6 months, the control group had developed severe cataracts as expected. However, the mice in the goji group maintained crystal clear lenses. When the researchers delved into the biochemistry, they found that goji berries had increased superoxide dismutase, another critical antioxidant enzyme, activity in the lens by an incredible 340% and had reduced harmful protein aggregation by 73%. Human studies from Hong Kong Polytechnic University have further shown that consuming goji berries for just 28 days can increase plasma zeaxanthin levels by 260% and macular pigment density by 26%, indicating excellent bioavailability and efficacy. Now, here's the critical information about maximizing goji berry benefits that could genuinely make the difference between success and failure. Firstly, quality is paramount. Many goji berries available on the market are unfortunately heavily sprayed with pesticides and sulfites. It is crucial to seek out certified organic goji berries, ideally sourced from the Ningxia region of China or the Tibetan Plateau, where the unique mineral content of the soil is believed to produce berries with the highest zeaxanthin levels. A simple but effective preparation method is to soak dried goji berries in warm water for about 10 minutes before eating. This not only improves their digestibility, but also enhances nutrient absorption. And don't discard the soaking water. It transforms into a potent eye-protecting tea. The optimal daily dose for cataract prevention and support is generally considered to be 15 to 20 grams, which equates to a small handful. It's best to consume them in the morning, ideally with a source of healthy fat, like a few almonds or walnuts, as zeaxanthin is a fat-soluble nutrient. While many people add them to smoothies, research suggests that eating them whole or lightly soaked provides better absorption than when they are blended. If you opt for goji berry powder, which is more concentrated, limit your intake to about 1 tablespoon daily. Fresh goji berries, though harder to find, contain approximately 30% more protective compounds than dried ones, but they are highly perishable. Be mindful that some individuals experience mild insomnia if they consume goji berries late in the day due to their naturally energizing properties, so it's best to enjoy them before 2 p.m. Lastly, it's important to note that goji berries can potentially interact with blood thinners and diabetes medications. So if you are on these medications, it is essential to consult your doctor before incorporating goji berries into your routine. For maximum benefit, I often suggest creating a daily eye-protecting ritual. Soak a handful of organic goji berries in warm water each morning. Enjoy the rehydrated berries with a few nuts for optimal fat absorption, and then savor the nutrient-rich soaking liquid as a tea. The scientific evidence is truly overwhelming. These 5 fruits, oranges, blueberries, avocados, papayas, and most powerfully, goji berries, especially when consumed regularly as integral parts of a healthy, balanced diet, can offer extraordinary protection against the development and progression of cataracts. From the vitamin C shields of oranges to the lens-clearing zeaxanthin powerhouse of goji berries, nature has generously provided us with potent tools to maintain clear, vibrant vision throughout our lives. The keys, as with so many aspects of health, are consistency and an understanding of proper preparation and consumption. I encourage you to start incorporating these remarkable fruits into your daily routine now, proactively, before the subtle, frosted veil of cataracts even begins to form. Imagine yourself decades from now, still seeing the world in all its crystal-clear detail. Your future self will undoubtedly thank you for the choices you make today. Remember, the most effective time to prevent cataracts is before they start. And with these scientifically validated fruits, You hold in your hands a delicious and powerful means to keep your eyes bright, healthy, and cataract-free for life. Now, I turn it back to you. Which of these 5 fruits are you most excited to try or incorporate more regularly for your eye health? Do you perhaps have your own favorite fruit or a dietary strategy that you feel has benefited your eyesight? Please share your experiences, insights, and any questions you might have in the comments below. I truly value hearing from you and fostering a community dedicated to natural health and well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey.